Good afternoon to all my dear students, those are present in this session. As you all know, in yesterday's session, we have already prepared this design, right? We have already prepared this portion of this educator vehicle, right? But today we will design the other side of this educator vehicle. So for that, you know very well, we need any platform in which we can design. So my platform is what? My platform is LDD, Lego Digital Designer. And you know very well how to open this platform. First of all, you have to go on start button, and after that, you have to click on Lego Digital Designer. When you click on this Lego Digital Designer, this application will be launching. Right? And now I'm going to find out my yesterday file in which we have already designed the one portion of this educator vehicle, right? So my file name is this, and I want to open this folder and I want to open this file because this is my yesterday file. So just click on that and now you will receive on work plane area. Now you will receive this design on work plane area, right? Yes. So this is our yesterday design, and now I'm going to move on today design, and today we will prepare the other side. We have already done this, and now we will prepare the other side of this educator vehicle. So first of all, I'll go back on LDD platform and now move on to the some steps. And my first step is I want one part and its name is engine once again. So engine is also available on our work plane area, already available. So no need to find out through search box or through part library. You can take easily from here, and by the help of clone tool you can take it in a very easy manner, right? So just click on this clone tool, and after that you will click on this engine. So just click on that and now drag your mouse, and now you will receive the same part within a second. Now move on to the next step, and in next step you have to use one connector pad, right? So first of all, I would like to rotate my work plane area. I have to set in a very proper manner, and now I will put this engine here, right? So I will take this and put it here. Now I want to design. So I want what? I want one blue long connector pad right now. So I would like to take it from here. By the help of clone tool, I can do clone, right? I can create a duplicate copy of this blue long connector pad. So just click on that like this, and now you have to set where you have to set the last hole of this engine. You can see here, right? And now in next step you need one angular beam which is also available here, right? This one. So you can take it, just do clone, just click on that and drag your mouse, and after that you have to set here in this way, This is the actual way to set, right? And in next step, you need the most important part, that is the long blue color connector pack. No need to find out again. You just clone it, and after that you will put here in this way. आपको इस चीज पर ध्यान देना है कि आपको इसको सेंटर पॉइंट पर सेट करना है, राइट? जैसे अभी हमने ये वाले कनेक्टर पैक को यूज किया क्योंकि हमें इसको यहाँ पर अटैच करना था, बट यहाँ पर राइट नाउ हमें इसे सेंटर में सेट करना है ताकि हम इसके साइड में कोई भी पार्ट अगर अटैच करना चाहते हैं तो कर सकते हैं, राइट? नाउ आई वॉन्ट वन मोर, एक और मुझे चाहिए, नो नॉट दिस वन, आई वॉन्ट दिस कनेक्टर पैक, सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन इट एंड नाउ put here, and after that you have to select single selection and then turn your work plane area, and then you have to set here, right? You have to set here like this. Again आपको यहाँ पर सेट करना है इसको सेंटर पॉइंट पर, right? Now move on to the next step, and in next step you need one more part, and now you need a small connector pack, right? अभी आपको क्या चाहिए? स्मॉल कनेक्टर पैक विद क्रॉस एक्सेल. हमने ये ऑलरेडी यूज किया हुआ है, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं. सो यू जस्ट डू क्लोन like this, right? And now you have to put in this way, in this way, right? This is the actual position. Now move on to the next step, and in next step you need one black color connector peg, so you have to put here. So you can take from here, just clone it, and now you can change the direction, and after that you have to put here. It means यहाँ से हमें क्या समझ में आ रहा है अगर हम इसको अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करें? इट मीन्स अगर हमने कोई भी पर्टिकुलर पार्ट पहले से अपने वर्क प्लेन एरिया में एक्सेस किया हुआ है, यूज किया हुआ है, then no need to find out again and again and again. You just clone it and do your task, whatever you want to do, right? Now move on to the next phase, and the next phase is what? Next phase is simple, the cross XL, and its size is again 4M, so you can take from here by the help of cloning. So just click on that, and now you will receive this 4M cross XL, right? And now you have to put here in this way. Equally आपको इसको set करना है, correct? Now move on to the next phase, and the next phase is what? The simple and very simple phase is you have to set cross XL extension here like this, right? So just take it and just put it here in this way, correct? Now अभी आप देख पा रहे होंगे जिस तरीके से हमने राइट हैंड साइड को प्रिपेयर किया, सिमिलरली हम अपने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, राइट? बिकॉज अगर हम बात करें एक कार की, तो दैट मीन्स उसका लेफ्ट साइड पर भी सेम इंजन होता है, राइट साइड पर भी सिमिलरली लेफ्ट साइड भी टायर्स होते हैं, राइट साइड भी टायर्स होते हैं. आप सिंगल एक टायर पर नहीं रन कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो सिमिलरली हम यहाँ पर भी प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं डिजाइन. नाउ move on to the next phase, and in next phase you need what? You need one Technic angular beam. So you have to turn your work plane area, and you have one Technic angular beam here, this one. So just click on it and now drag your mouse and put it here, and now you can change the direction, and where you want to set, you want to set here, right? So you have to set by the help of single selection, and now you can take it, and after that you will put here like this. So this is the actual way to set, right? Now in next step you need the most important part, that is black color connector peg. So you can take from here by the help of cloning. Just click on that, and now just click on this connector peg, and now you have to set where you want to set, right? Like this. And now I want one more connector peg, students. I want one more. So just do clone, and after that you will click on this, and now you will put it here in this way. Correct? Yes. So right now I'm going to move on the next level, and in next level I want to set cross axle with stop end, right? Where? Here I can set. So I would like to take from here by the help of clone. I have already selected this clone tool, and now just click on this cross axle with stop end, but I want to change the direction, right? Like this. And now you will put here in this way. I'll show you. Give me 1 minute. Yes. आप देख रहे हैं आपको यहाँ से सेट करना है. So before that you need single selection, otherwise आप टास्क नहीं कर पाएंगे जो करना चाहते हैं. Just click on that, and now you will take it from here, and then you have to set here like this in a very polite manner. Yeah, it is okay, right? Now I'll show you on the other side. अभी आप देख सकते हैं सिमिलर डिजाइन आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, जैसे आपने राइट लेफ्ट साइड में प्रिपेयर किया, राइट साइड में आप सिमिलरली यहाँ पर प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. द सेम डिजाइन इज हियर टू बैलेंसिंग, right? To balancing the device or balancing the machine, you have to set this. And now move on to the next step. And in next step, what should I do? Simple, you know very well. अगर मैं आपको शो करूं अदर साइड तो आप इजीली गेट कर लोगे. आपको ये वाला 3M टेक्निक बीम यहाँ पर यूज करना है. So for that you have to clone it, right? And now put it here, and after that you will choose what? Single selection tool, and then just turn like this, right? And now you have to take it and put it here. इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पर दो स्मॉल क्रॉस एक्सल ये कनेक्टर पैग्स को यूज किया था. 2 small connector pegs and 1 cross axle for joining this, right? I'm going to assemble here like this. It is completely equal or same, right? You can see. ये देखिए, बस आपको क्या करना है, आपको इसको असेंबल करना है प्रॉपर मैनर में. ये इक्वली सेट होना चाहिए, and you have to set like this. Yeah, it is absolutely fine right now. Now what should I do? I will take this part, and its name is what? Its name is Technic Angular Beam 4x4. So I want to take it, just take it by the help of clone tool, right? And now I'm moving on the next step, and in next step I need one part. I need one part, and its name is what? Just stop cloning, select single selection, and now you will turn like this. You have to take this part, right? This cross axle connector peg. So just clone it, and now you have to put like this, right? और आपको इसको बहुत केयरफुली सेट करना है. ये पार्ट आपका, ये ध्यान रखना है, आउटसाइड सेट करना है आपको, ये वाला पार्ट आउटसाइड सेट करना है, जिस साइड आपका ये क्रॉस एक्सेल है। सिमिलरली आपको अदर साइड भी यही करना है, जिस साइड आपका क्रॉस एक्सेल आउटसाइड है वहां पर आपको इसको लेना है, अंदर की साइड इसको असेंबल नहीं करना है, अदरवाइज रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, राइट। सो यू हैव टू टेक इट बाय द हेल्प ऑफ व्हाट, बाय द हेल्प ऑफ कनेक्टेड सिलेक्शन टूल, right? And now you have to take and put here like this. Yes. Now I'm going to move on next step. Yes. So right now, what should I do? I have to use one cross Excel जो कि अभी तक मैंने यूज नहीं किया है. So right now I'm going to search, right? What cross Excel? It is a cross Excel with stop end, but its size is small as comparison to this cross Excel. It is 8M cross Excel, but right now I want only 3M cross Excel with stop end. Here it is, right? So I can take it, just click on that, and now you can drag on the work plane area, and after that you have to use like this, in this way, right? In this way you can use, and you can take one more. So you just click on that once again, and after that you have to use on the other direction. So just change the direction by the help of keyboard, and now you can put here, right, in this way. Now in next step, what should I do right now? I am assembling this part here, right? अब मेरे को क्या करना है, ये पार्ट को मुझे यहाँ असेंबल करना है. So for that I'm just using connected selection tool. Reason is what, अगर मैं यहाँ पर सिंगली इसको सिंगल सिलेक्शन टूल की हेल्प से सेलेक्ट करूंगी तो only one part will come, right? But right now I want to take all the parts together. ये जो मैंने राइट साइड में पूरा कंप्लीट पोर्शन डिजाइन किया है, इसको मैं एक ही सिंगल पार्ट में मूव करना चाहती हूँ. सो फॉर दैट आई वांट टू यूज कनेक्टेड सिलेक्शन टूल. दैट मीन्स अगर मैं किसी भी सिंगल पार्ट पर क्लिक करूंगी और उससे हुए कनेक्ट पार्ट्स सारे सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगे, राइट? लाइक अगर मैंने ये क्रॉस एक्सेल एक्सटेंशन पर क्लिक किया तो इससे जितने भी पार्ट्स कनेक्टेड है वो सारे सेलेक्ट हो गए राइट नाउ, राइट? एंड नाउ आई विल पुट हियर like this. So this way you can easily assemble, right? You can see the complete structure is here. You can see, अगर मैं आपको अभी इमेज शो करूं तो आप देख सकते हैं कि आपने इसका पूरा बेस डिजाइन कर दिया है, right? This is the complete base, if I'm not wrong, right? You can see right here. It is absolutely done. You can see. Now you would like to join this part also, so you can take one more cross Excel. So you have to use connected selection, clone tool. By the help of clone tool you can do clone and then you have to set here. अब आप यहाँ पर देखिए cross Excel यहाँ पर set नहीं हो रहा है, that means it is long. So you will take 3M cross Excel, yes, and now you will put here like this. You can see अभी आपने इसको पूरा completely join कर लिया है. It is looking very nice. So you have to delete all the extra parts which are available on your work plane area right now. Just use delete tool and click on this part and click on this cross Excel also because it is extra right now. I hope it is clear to you. Yes, now I'm going to move on the back side of this educator vehicle. So for that, I want the new part, and its name is FrickSnap. Its name is what? Its name is FrickSnap, right? Here it is FrickSnap. So I can take this one. Maybe हमें इसकी नीड पड़ सकती है. So I want to use one more part, and its name is angular beam. Yes, here it is. This one is angular beam, which I want to take, right? I want to take this angular beam, and I want one cross axle or connector peg. I want connector peg, right? So I'm just typing here connector peg. Yes, I want to use this connector peg. I want to take this one. Okay, and one more part I want, and its name is Technique Angular Beams. So I'm just searching it. Technique Angular Beam, and it is 4x2 Technique Angular Beam. Yes, I can take it, this one, and I can take one more. I want one more same part, so I just clone it. Yes, अभी मेरे पास सारे parts available हैं. Now I will design कि मुझे इसको किस तरीके से prepare करना है, right? So before that, firstly I want to change the direction. Just use single selection, and now I want to change the direction in this way. Yes, this is the actual position, and you have to set here like this. You can see similarly आपको क्या करना है, ये वाला जो आपका एंगुलर बीम है 90 डिग्री का, इसको आपको डायरेक्शन चेंज करनी है सेम इसी तरीके से, right? Yes, this is the actual way. And now you have to set here. Firstly, you have to make a space, right? And then you have to set here like this. Yes, this is the actual way. Now you have to use one more thing, and it is what? It is very simple. You have to use this connector peg here. So before that you have to make a space. Connected selection tool का use करें, इस पर click करें और इसको एक place पर set कर लें. Then you have to use single selection tool, and then you will use this part like this. Okay, firstly you have to check. Okay, तो सबसे पहले तो आपको इसको ही सेट करना है properly. Yes, this is the actual way, and now you have to put this here. Now you have to use cross axle also, so you will find out here cross axle. Yes, these are the cross axles, and you will take 3M cross axle. and you will put here like this, right? And now you have to use what? You have to use power joint. The next part name is power joint. So you will type here power joint. Yes, this one. This is a power joint. No, this is not this one. This is power joint. You have to change like this, and then you will set here. Yes. So this is the actual position. And now you will use this connected selection tool. By the help of connected selection tool, you can easily set in this way. Yes, absolutely fine. So this is the backside design. You just remove these all extra parts, delete this one and delete this one. You have to use single selection. Yes. And now you have to use cross Excel with connector peg, and those are available here. So you can take from here by the help of clone tool. Just take from here. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है, ये आप 4 कनेक्टर पैग्स विद क्रॉस एक्सेल यूज करेंगे, और वो आपको कहाँ यूज करने हैं? यहाँ पर यूज करने हैं, राइट? ये जो आपके पास 4 होल्स हैं, just take like this and put here, and then take another, put here like this. You have to take this one and just put it here, and then you will take this one, put here, right? So this is the back side. This is what? This is back side, right? I hope it is clear.